Picture this. Earth, a spinning ball in the vastness of space, has had its fair share of cosmic wake-up calls. The first cosmic tale unfolds some 66 million years ago. An asteroid about 10 kilometers in diameter crashed into the Yucatan Peninsula, marking the end of the reign of dinosaurs. The second act, the Tunguska event in 1908, saw a smaller asteroid around 40 meters in size, detonating over Siberia, unleashing an explosion equivalent to a large nuclear bomb. These instances stand out like celestial exclamation points in the annals of our planet's history. Ever wondered how we can prevent asteroids from crashing into Earth? Did you know that just painting the asteroid can alter its course? Join us today as we explore the cosmic choreography of defying disaster. Welcome to Explore the Curiosity. Stay with us till the end. We're unraveling not one, not two, but 8 ingenious methods. It's a cosmic countdown you won't want to miss. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, and their impact is measured not just by their size, but also by the energy they release upon impact. It's like comparing cosmic fireworks to nuclear detonations. A small asteroid may pack the punch of a Hiroshima-sized explosion, while a larger one could dwarf the most powerful nuclear bombs ever detonated. The cosmos is a chaotic dance, and Earth is no stranger to interstellar roulette. The probability of an asteroid hitting Earth is a real cosmic gamble. Thankfully, our celestial big brother Jupiter often takes the hits for us, acting as a gravitational shield. The moon, scarred with craters, stands as a testament to the cosmic artillery Earth faces. Imagine just one significant asteroid impact, and we could face a cataclysmic event, akin to the dinosaur extinction. Amidst the vast cosmic expanse, our solar system harbors a multitude of asteroids, each a potential protagonist in Earth's celestial drama. Picture this: over 1 million asteroids gracefully tracing their paths in the asteroid belt. A mesmerizing celestial ballet between Mars and Jupiter. But the cosmic guest list doesn't end there. Some asteroids are cosmic tourists journeying from the outer reaches of our stellar neighborhood to visit the inner sanctum of our solar system. These foreign asteroid visitors add an element of unpredictability to our cosmic inventory. NASA and other vigilant space agencies tirelessly monitor this celestial menagerie. The numbers are staggering. Thousands of asteroids, both near and far, are cataloged and tracked. These cosmic sentinels diligently observe the heavens, acting as our guardians against potential celestial threats. Now that we've glimpsed into the cosmic inventory, let's turn our attention to the pressing question. What do we do when the cosmic alarm bells ring, signaling an impending collision with Earth? With potential cosmic collisions looming, let's dive into the ingenious methods humans have devised to keep our planet safe. Method number 8, painting the asteroid. Here's a fun one. Imagine throwing paintballs on the asteroid. We paint one side with a special reflective coating. As the sun's rays hit it, the asteroid gets a gentle push, altering its path over time. It's like using sunlight to guide the asteroid away from Earth. The trick is picking the right paint, one that reflects sunlight just enough. It's a bit like cosmic artistry, showing how a simple coat of paint can help us keep our planet safe. Method number 7, solar sails. Picture a spaceship with giant reflective sails catching sunlight like a cosmic wind. These sails gently push the spaceship forward. And it's this continuous pressure that alters the asteroid's path. It's a bit like sailing through space using the sun as our wind. But just like a sailboat slows down without wind, this method becomes less effective the farther we go from the sun. It's a clever way of using sunlight to guide asteroids away from Earth. Method number 6, enhanced gravity tractors. Imagine a team of cosmic buddies working together to pull an asteroid away from Earth. Multiple spacecraft create a stronger gravitational tug, guiding the asteroid to safety. It's like having several helping hands to steer the asteroid off its collision course. The key is teamwork and precise calculations to make sure the gravitational forces work just right. This method shows how working together can be a powerful way to keep our planet out of harm. Method number 5, kinetic impactors. This method involves launching a spacecraft directly at an oncoming asteroid, aiming to alter its trajectory through a precise impact. The spacecraft functions as a cosmic cue ball, imparting enough momentum to shift the asteroid away from its collision course. Timing is crucial, requiring careful calculations to intercept the asteroid accurately. The goal is not destruction, but redirection. Despite its simplicity, this method demands precision and consideration of the asteroid's composition to avoid fragmentation. It stands as a proven and rapid response strategy in humanity's cosmic defense toolkit. Method 4, laser ablation. Think of this method as a cosmic laser light show. We shine focused laser beams on the asteroid, making its surface evaporate. This creates a thrust like a gentle breeze, altering the asteroid's path. Precision is key here. We must carefully aim the lasers and control how much material gets evaporated. It's like giving the asteroid a push using laser power, showcasing our ability to use light to keep our cosmic neighborhood safe. Method 3, gravity tractors. Unlike enhanced gravity tractors, think of this method as using a space tugboat. The spacecraft parks near the asteroid, and like a cosmic magnet, pulls it slightly off course over time. It's a slow and steady approach, giving the asteroid a gentle nudge away from Earth. This method requires a bit of patience, but it's like guiding a ship through space, showing how we can use gravity to keep our planet safe. Method number 2, ion beam shepherd. Imagine a spaceship playing cosmic shepherd to an asteroid. By shooting ionized particles onto the asteroid's surface, it creates a gentle push, guiding it away from Earth. It's like giving the asteroid a friendly nudge in the right direction. The key here is precision, making sure we have a steady power supply to keep the ion beams going. This method showcases how we can use a bit of cosmic herding to keep our planet safe from wandering space rocks. And finally, the topmost method, number 1, nuclear deflection. When all else fails, imagine we have a space fireworks show. In this method, we strategically explode a nuclear device near the asteroid. The blast doesn't destroy the asteroid, but gives it a forceful shove, changing its path away from Earth. It's like a cosmic game changer, but we need to be careful not to break the asteroid into smaller, still dangerous pieces. This method is our last resort, showcasing how we can use controlled explosions to keep our cosmic neighborhood safe. In the cosmic tapestry, asteroids craft explosive performances, shaping worlds with unpredictability. Now, which method do you think is the ultimate cosmic choreographer for our safety? Share your favorite cosmic dance move in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up. Don't miss our next cosmic revelation. Hit subscribe and join our community of cosmic explorers. Keep exploring, and until next time, let your curiosity soar as boundlessly as the cosmos itself.